Children, now I will tell you a sentence in present tense. You have to change it in past tense. You have to tell me the same sentence into past tense. Okay, what will you do?
We will tell you in past tense.
One of you.
We will tell you in past tense.
Yes, very good. The first one is, I write a book. I write a book. Yes, yourself. I wrote a book. Very good. I wrote a book. He comes to school. He comes to school. Yes, Dilip. He comes to school. Yes. Listen to me again. He comes to school. He comes to school. Yes.
He came to school.
He came to school. I am telling you he. You are telling you. I am not telling you. Okay. He comes to school. He came to school. Good. Next. She goes to market. She goes to market. She goes to market. Can you tell me? She goes to market. Can you tell me? Yes. She comes to school. She goes to market. What is the past tense? Yes.
She went to market.
Very good. She went to market. Next.
She went to market.
Yes, she went to market. Next. Our teacher teaches English.
Sir.
Our teacher teaches English. Yes, Sanjana.
Our teacher taught English.
Taught English. Our teacher taught English. Very good. My sister speaks English. Wait. Sai. My sister speaks English.
My sister spoke English.
Very good. My sister spoke English. Very good. Mohiddin, I tell you a story. I tell you a story.
I told you a story.
I told you a story. Good. Next. The cat drinks milk. Pavan.
The cat
Drank milk. The cat drank milk. I open the door. I open the door.
Sir.
I open the door.
I opened the door.
Tell me.
I opened the door.
I opened the door. I opened the door.
The door.
Yes. I close the door. I close the door. Yes. I closed the door. Closed past tense. Okay. There are a number of action words. Looked, take, took, tell, told, bring, brought, buy, bought. Okay. I buy a pen. I bought a pen. Yes. He reads stories. Imran.
He wrote a story.
I am not telling action word, right? He reads stories. No. Sanjana reads stories. What do you say in past tense?
Read stories.
Read stories. Read. Okay? Write, wrote. You are confused. Okay? Yes. Vaishnavi eats idli. Vaishnavi eats idli. Yes, Imran. Very good. Vaishnavi ate idli. I take a bonda. Yes. Madan. I took a bonda. Yes. Another one is my mother prepares. My mother prepares upma.
My mother prepared.
Very good. Prepared. Good.
Sir.
They invite a party. They invite to a party.
They invited to party.
To a party. Very good. Claps.